Hey, this is Jeremy Farris with Notorious BMX. This is my bike check. I'll start from the front to the back. Here I got stolen deviant bars, and I've got the vortex twist on the tube there, and then got Eastern grips, skull grips. I don't like Eastern that much, but I like these grips because they fit my hands and they just feel good. Eastern bar ends. Got a Sunday Freeze top load stem, and got Eastern bearings. Got a stolen fork, shadow hub guard, shadow rim. Got Odyssey K-Lite tires. They're fucking awesome. In the frame, it's a BSD Forever frame, but I painted it orange because orange is this shit. And then I got stolen 2.5 cranks, Odyssey pedals, Sunday 30-tooth sprocket, Colt chain, and stolen seat post. And then for the back, I got a demolition hub and fucking shadow rim and Odyssey tires. So yeah, that's it. It's fucking set up the way I like it. If I can change it all the time, but I'm finally at the point where I like it. So yeah, that's it. See ya.